Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically give someone a role on Discord when they join. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Discord account and have access to manage roles on the server you want to set this up for. Also, open your browser and go to the website yagipdb.xyz. This is the bot we'll use to automate role assignments. Once you're on the website, click on the Control Panel button in the top right corner. From here, log in with your Discord account and authorize the bot to access your servers. After logging in, you'll see a list of servers you manage. Select the server where you want to enable automatic role assignment. For this tutorial, I'll use an example server. Click Continue and authorize all the requested permissions for the bot. You may also need to verify that you're human by completing a CAPTCHA. Once the bot is authorized, refresh the page if your server doesn't appear immediately in the list. Now, let's move to Discord for a quick setup. Open your server and click on the name at the top to access the server menu. From there, go to Server Settings, then Roles. Here, you'll need to create the role you want to assign automatically. Click on Create Role, give it a name like Role 1, choose a color if you want, and then click Save Changes. Once the role is created, go back to the YagiPDB control panel on your browser. Navigate to the Tools and Utilities section and select Auto Role. In this section, you'll see options to automatically assign roles to new members. Refresh the roles list if the one you just created doesn't appear immediately. Select the role you created and then click Save. From now on, whenever someone joins your server, the role you assigned in the Auto Role section will automatically be applied to them. You can test this by having someone new join your server and checking their assigned roles. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of automatically giving someone a role on Discord when they join. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.